Right, so I'm going to try and show you how easy this is to set up. Put your account name in, put in the correct host name for your PBX, put your username, which is your extension, put your password, which is unique to the extension because it's randomized, but you can change it, you can make it shorter for phones because obviously you can't copy and paste that easy. So yeah, once you set your user part up, you can make sure it's enabled on start. You can check your video settings, encryption settings, all these things. Click save. I've already done it. Another setting you might need is the ports. So it might be right if we go back. Right, yeah, so you go back to this main screen, then you go to, I think it's connectivity. Yeah, go to connectivity, make sure you've got keep alive, Wi-Fi on, stay awake, run in background, and then you want to click this one, listening ports. Now, it's very important because if you forget to do the listening ports, how I've done them here, which is random port off. So make sure it says port 5060 or 5060. Random port on the IAX, that's fine. Random port on the RTP port, that's fine. Turn off random port for the TLS, and at the bottom you've got a 50 or 5061. So unless that's set up exactly as you see here, it will only work one way. You can dial out, but you won't be able to dial in. So it's very important that you got these ports correct. And then obviously save it. And yeah, it says phone registered, done. So this is the app. Zoiper, basically. ZOIPER. IAX SIP voice over IP soft phone. It's free, it works, it does a lot of stuff. It also has video capabilities, so if you go back to the actual app, go to configure, got video, always offer video. I'll put on yes, it's by default is off. Every other setting, or this automatic enable speaker, that's I've left that as default. Then you've got the capture option, size, high, I'll put it on because I'm losing it locally. It's not running through the internet. But, you know, you can change that to whatever you need. I'll put it on high. Okay, then you've got the frames per second. Basically it starts at 5, which is really bad. So I'll put that on to the max, which is 30. Again, you might need to change it or tweak it. And then you get a bit rate, which I haven't really changed, but you can change it if you want. Doesn't really make much difference on a local network. But yeah, it's got a lot of other options, as you can see, but I don't really need a lot of it. So I'm going to show you now a conference. So push 800, I think it's 800, and you dial in to the conference.
Please enter the conference PIN number.
So you put in your PIN with a keypad. Obviously hit the keypad button. I've got that wrong.
That PIN.
Right, I'll have to do it again. I'll put the wrong PIN in. Right, so dial your conference number. I've set it up for 800, but you can have whatever extension you want.
Conference PIN number.
Let's try again. 8888, and you can push the pound or you can just wait. It's a hash button, but yeah, they call it the pound. But if you can't be bothered to wait, just push hash.
After the tone, say your name and then press the pound key.
J.
Thank you. You are currently the only person in this conference.
Right, so I'll show you from a PC. It goes on the hold music, by the way. It's a bit of a mess, but don't worry. So get the dial pad up, 800. It's asking for the pin conference. £8.
After the tone, say your name and then press the pound key. Thank you.
There you
There is
go.
currently one other participant in the conference.
Now listen to this
Is
one.
now in the conference.
So there you go. That's how you connect your mobile to a conference on a free PBX or a VAS PBX. Very simple, very easy, and it's a brilliant free little app.